just a little bit of, oh, that's a little more than we needed, but it's fine. I should find my apron. I'm gonna find my apron. We're gonna cut open and drain our tofu. Oh, just broke the tofu. It's fine. Why is this one so crumbly? It's still good. Yes, it is still good. I don't know why it's so soft. The texture isn't right, so I'm like really weirded out. Just gonna run like peanut butter. Let's do here. Add some soy sauce. Just very crumbly tofu. Why are you so crumbly? No, this tofu is bad. The tofu is crumbly because it's bad. That's terrible. Look, the expiration date says January, but something is wrong. Oh no. Why? So we're gonna throw this down the sink. Second one, expiration date, January 7th, 2021. Okay, we're good. It's not the same size, whatever, it's fine. Crispy chili oil. It is so good. If you aren't on the Chinese chili oil tip, it's gonna change your life. So what we have here, that tofu that we just made, this was the cabbage that I cooked earlier. A snap for the Discord.